This is my video for CIS210, week with the Sunday day of November 17th. This week we were learning about the sieve of Aristophanes. The basic idea is that it's a prime number finder, and it iterates through whatever your list of numbers is and finds each of them. It starts by basically finding all of the numbers that are divisible by 2, and then it iterates all through the 3's, and basically it just keeps iterating through the list, going through each of the initial list of numbers and dividing from there. So you find 2, and then every even number after that is gone. Then you go to 3, and then every multiple of 3 after is not a prime number. And then 5, and then all the 5's after, and then 7. And then at the end you're left with numbers like 11, 13, 17, 19, ones that aren't divisible by anything else either, and that's how you find your prime numbers. So that's what this program does. I also imported a timer from an earlier class so that we can time each process as we run through the program with 10,000 all the way up to 50,000 elements. And all of them run very fast. This is a pretty quick program. We'll run it right now. And you see that it runs through all of these in less than a second total. So it's a very fast program, and I don't currently have it print anything out, but we can change that, and we'll at least have it print out just the first one, since this is going to be a pretty long list. Yeah, and it's quite a lot. But that's how you find it. And that's the basics of this program. It wasn't too hard to figure out. The sieve is a pretty simple process and turned out to be pretty easy to do. And that's the end of my video.